the Taycan. We have a meeting with the customer at 7:30. So I just parked in a lane here. There's not much traffic, so I think it should be good. It's a cool place. I slept just right behind it. There's a lot of space for a semi. So yeah, I'ma drop it. There's a cafe over there. It's called Lian's Cafe. I'm gonna go grab some breakfast, and I'll wait for the customer to come and get his car. Hopefully I don't get taken out by these trucks. But yeah, it should be fine. Just drop it real quick, park it over there, go get some breakfast, and keep on going. Next stop is gonna be Hayward at the Mannheim. I'm gonna be picking up Mercedes CLS. So hopefully that doesn't take too long. Sometimes you gotta walk around like a dumbass for hours to find a car. But it's part of the game, I guess, you know. This is the cafe. Let's look at the Bay Area traffic. It's pretty good. Still COVID rules and stuff. Yeah, we got good stuff. We got breakfast. A little party outside. It's cool. Here at the Mannheim in Hayward. Shit, did look the truck? Yep. I'm about to get over to the security gate, get my gate pass, and go find my car somewhere. It's probably gonna take a while. So I was saying, I walked through the gate, and that lady, she was like, "Hey, where are you going? I don't recognize you. Do you have a gate pass?" So I was like, "Yeah, of course I do." So I showed the gate pass. She checked out, and she's like, "Well, your car might not be here." So she double checked on her other truck, it says it's still here. So fingers crossed. Okay, it should be black CLS. Wait, it's a CLS. 295. Yep, that's my car. Yeah, pretty sure it's beat up. Got no juice in it. Oh, guess what, guys? We might be lucky. Ha! Hell yeah! Okay, I like that. Let me go ask the guys to get some air, because this shit is not good. Security. Ah, she sounds good. I like how the MG sounds. Mine sounds way better than this, but still, this sounds good. Okay, so quick plan. What we're doing, since this one's low on gas, I'm not gonna move it too much today. I'm just gonna put it flat on the bottom, because this is a top loader. I'm gonna, if you know, to load and load this number 6 behind the cab, I have to go from the top. So if I have it on the front and number 7, I won't be able to drop my number 3 deck and unload this Lexus, which I need to unload next. So I'm gonna just put it right here in the middle, drop it down, and I can use top without any issues. Well, sometimes you do burnouts. Pulling it, whoa, just like that. If you're not careful, if you carry it on, you can hit the sides. You can hit your sides on the trailer, which won't be fun. Well, that should be good. You back up a little bit, actually. Okay, let's try. Okay, 2 keys. I usually just leave 1 key inside, and the other one just keep inside the truck. That way, for any reason decided to lock itself out, I'll have a key and I won't be stuck. Yep, that should be good. All right, let's go. Don't lose your ramps. Like I said, 1 strap, more than enough. We ain't doing 200 miles an hour on this truck, so. Of course, I hate when that happens. So you gotta kind of hold it. Waste of time, I know. Okay, first things first, dropping 14, dropping 15, watching the back bumper. Make sure you don't fuck it up. All right, pretty good. This is a long car, by the way. And now drop number 7. All right, drop everything else. Bam. You can use both levers, so you can drop both decks at the same time. I don't recommend it, but I don't care. Alright, cool. Let's get out of here. So like I said, now I can use and load whatever I want, however I want, without touching this one for now. Alright, I think we got it. Let's go. Let's go to the next stop. Next stop is the Mazda Miata. So yeah, I'm here at the Marina in San Leandro. Big ass parking lot. Customer came. He already paid me with Venmo, so it's pretty good. And like I said, you just keep down inside on the bottom and you do everything around it. Oh shit. I kinda hit myself on this thing. Alright. See how much room I got. Not too bad. We can do some donuts with this thing. You guys want to see me do some donuts? See the marks? That wasn't me though. That wasn't me. Yeah, you're welcome, man. Let me just make some pictures, walk around, make sure it's all good.
Everything is good. I just need to I just need to wash it, I guess.
Yeah. I was running through a storm, so you gotta wash it anyway. We don't wash it though, so. All right. Just need your full name and a signature.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so I got the money.
I'll send you a tip, but I can't access my. I need to like go home. It throws me an error.
Ah.
I think it's poor internet. That's why I'm.
Yeah, they think that somebody stole your money.
No,
Huh?
I'll go home. I'll tip you.
I appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Do a little donut for the YouTube. Come on.
Yeah.
Just do one. Come on.
Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper?
Look at that. Yeah. Go, go. Good. Well, that's how you start your day, man. So I'm just gonna put the Challenger back here because I gotta drop. Actually, I'll pull it up here because my next is a pickup. I'm picking up Audi SQ5 from Auckland. So for here. Don't ask your customers to do donuts for you. Jeez. So I got a second key inside the truck. I'm gonna leave one here just in case. And yep, should be good. Whoa! Shit. Whoa, okay. At least it wasn't that far off the ground. Sheesh. You guys wanna live in Cali? Come on, dummy. Stupid ass. Alright, let's check out the Bay Area Skid Row. Or Bay Area's Skid Row. Whoa! Wake up, mine. Wake up. Shit. Damn, bro. This is sad. This is just sad. Wow. Jesus. I don't know where I'm at, but it's not safe here. I can guarantee you that.